Canada is known for its diverse geography and climate, ranging from frigid Arctic tundras to temperate rainforests, making it a unique and exciting place to explore. The country experiences 4 distinct seasons, each with its own weather patterns, characteristics, and activities. Winter in Canada. Winter in Canada is often the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about the country's climate. The winter months can be extremely cold, with temperatures regularly dropping below freezing, particularly in the northern regions. However, winter sports enthusiasts relish this time of year, as the country is home to some of the world's best ski resorts, ice skating rinks, and ice fishing spots. In many cities, outdoor skating rinks are set up in public parks and squares, providing locals and tourists alike with a fun and festive way to enjoy the season. One of the most iconic winter experiences in Canada is the Quebec Winter Carnival, which takes place in Quebec City every year. This festival is a celebration of all things winter and features ice sculpture competitions, snow slides, and night parades. Visitors can also sample traditional Quebecois foods, including tourtière, meat pie, pea soup, and maple syrup treats. Spring in Canada. Spring in Canada is a time of renewal and transformation, as the country awakens from the long winter slumber. Temperatures start to rise, and the snow begins to melt, revealing the first signs of spring. This is a great time to explore the country's natural beauty, with parks and gardens coming to life with vibrant flowers and lush greenery. One of the most popular spring events in Canada is the Canadian Tulip Festival in Ottawa, where over 1 million tulips bloom in the city's parks and gardens. These tulips were a gift from the Netherlands to Canada in 1945 to thank the country for providing a safe haven to the Dutch royal family during World War II. The festival now attracts visitors from all over the world who come to admire the beautiful blooms. Summer in Canada. Summer in Canada is a time of warmth and sunshine, with temperatures ranging from mild to hot depending on the region. This is the perfect time to explore the country's many outdoor attractions, such as national parks, beaches, and hiking trails. One of the most popular summer destinations in Canada is Banff National Park in Alberta. The park is home to stunning mountain landscapes, glacier-fed lakes, and an abundance of wildlife. Visitors can go hiking, camping, kayaking, or simply relax and take in the breathtaking views. Another popular summer attraction is the Calgary Stampede, which takes place every July in Calgary, Alberta. This 10-day event is a celebration of Western heritage and culture and features rodeos, concerts, and carnival rides. Fall in Canada. Fall in Canada is a time of beautiful colors, as the leaves on the trees turn brilliant shades of orange, red, and yellow. This is a great time to take a scenic drive or hike through the countryside to enjoy the autumn scenery. One of the most stunning fall destinations in Canada is the Algonquin Provincial Park in Ontario. The park is home to over 2,000 lakes and streams, as well as an abundance of wildlife, including moose, black bears, and wolves. Visitors can go canoeing, fishing, or simply take a leisurely hike through the park's beautiful forests. Another fall attraction in Canada is the Vancouver International Film Festival, which takes place every September in Vancouver, British Columbia. This festival showcases films from around the world and attracts filmmakers and cinephiles from all over the globe. Climate change in Canada. Climate change is having a significant impact on Canada's weather patterns and environment, with the country experiencing more extreme weather events such as heat waves, droughts, and forest fires. The melting of Arctic sea ice is also having a significant impact on the country, with many northern communities experiencing changes in sea levels, permafrost melting, and changes in wildlife habitats. One of the most striking examples of climate change in Canada is the rapid retreat of the Columbia icefield in Jasper National Park. The glacier has been melting at an alarming rate, with some estimates suggesting that it could disappear entirely within the next few decades. Another example of the impact of climate change in Canada is the increase in forest fires. In recent years, the country has experienced some of the worst forest fires in its history, with entire communities being evacuated and homes destroyed. Despite the challenges presented by climate change, Canada remains committed to reducing its carbon footprint and transitioning to a low-carbon economy. The country has set ambitious targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and has implemented a range of policies and initiatives to encourage the development of renewable energy sources and promote energy efficiency. In conclusion, Canada's climate and changing seasons offer a unique and exciting experience for visitors. From the frigid winters to the vibrant colors of fall, the country's diverse climate and natural beauty provide endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. While climate change presents significant challenges for the country, Canada remains committed to reducing its carbon footprint and preserving its natural beauty for generations to come. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse team. At Vancouver, Canada, CA.